to be amazed. Always a mess.
Alright, peepsies. That's how I call my peeps. Alright guys, so for the modified Navy Qual, pretty easy. 50 yards, one piece of steel. You'll have 3 mags of 5, right? So 5 rounds each. What you're going to do is you're going to start standing on the go, 5 rounds on steel. You're going to reload, go to the kneeling, 5 more rounds, reload, go to the prone, 5 more rounds. So 15 rounds total, standing all the way to prone, 5 rounds each. Got it? Works for me. You gonna do a pistol? Can.
You're like, watch me.
It's actually worth a try. Alright, dude. Ready? Yep. Stand by. Go.
Bang.
What a fucker. He waited for it.
He was waiting for that shit, dude.
Right when he said it, too, I was like,
I'm fucking locked.
He was calm like a cobra.
Good. Big arrow.
Alright.
Okay.
I am now actually ready.
Are you now ready?
I am ready.
Are you sure? Sure, you're sure?
I am.
Alright, stand by. Go.
Bang.
Fix it. Come on, fix it. Why are you so sweaty?
And he's judgy. You get out of the frame over here?
I mean, John was in the frame and his.
Yeah, those people like looking at this.
Alright, I'm ready to go.
Shooter ready!
Mm-hmm.
Right!
Is this shooting wet? Nope, it's high. Whew, I need to do better. There you go.
I was just gonna say that.
Justice, what would you like to say to him?
I was gonna say do better, but I mean, you know, you fixed it yourself.
Did you guys know this was shooting high the whole time?
What's 50 yards? You're 0 to 25? Yeah, that one's a little off because that was the one that we shot down last time.
On zero rifle! Set me up for failure.
Hey,
I mean, Justice did great with it.
Zero's guns.
Oh, he's been shooting it all day. He knew what was wrong. See if we can do it this time. It happens, though. That's funny. Matches my underwear when I'm on the couch. Alright, I'm ready when you guys are.
Ready!